Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jay. If you are new to this channel, I welcome you. Welcome. This channel is everything DIY, fashion, and business. This is a more of a personal vlog because I was going to share with you guys my journey with my braces. I'm on my way to my appointment. I'm sitting in the parking lot right now. I have a 12 o'clock appointment and it is my 1 month checkup. Honey, when I say these braces been putting me through the works, honey. Like, I already know when the dentist see my mouth, she's gonna be so pissed off because both of my anchor brackets on the top of my mouth is gone. I have a wire poking me so bad because my anchor bracket is gone. Because you know they put like that silver anchor bracket on your last molars, the molar before the last. Both of those are gone off, broken off when I was eating. My stoppers on my molars, one of them is gone from when I was eating. I got two, like this whole section right here is loose because these brackets got off when I was eating the chicken wing. I was eating a turkey tail. I was eating barbecue turkey tails and I bit into it and it bent my wire, and then it made these two brackets be loose. The anchor is still there on the lower, but the upper, they gone. It's been a journey. I would say like the first day when I got them put on, it was all cool, it was fine. But baby, that next day, for like 3 to 5 days, I was in hell. Like, it was hurting so bad. Like, so one of the YouTubers, I think it was, who told me this? I think someone on my wholesale team, or actually one of the subscribers here, told me to take some pain meds before I head to my appointment. So that's exactly what I did. I popped me 2 Advils because I don't know what to expect, but I've been basically figuring out like what I can eat, what I can't eat, like what mess it up, what don't mess it up. Like, I see chicken, I can't do chicken because every time I eat chicken, y'all, literally my wires be tripping. I did kiss for the first time last week with the braces on. It was so awkward and weird. I thought my husband can feel them, but he said he couldn't feel my braces, but it felt like he can. I already see I can't do rib tips. I still be trying to do like chips and dip, but I see I really can't do that. I tried chewing gum for the first time yesterday. I'm gonna show you guys a clip right here, me chewing gum for the first time. I look like a cow chewing some damn grass, but here's that clip right here. So yeah, it's been an interesting journey. If you have braces, please give me some tips because it's a trial and error for me. But I'm gonna check back in with you guys when I head into the doctor office and let you know how the 1 month update goes. Okay, so they just took the wires off. So these was loose, so they gotta do these over again. It feels so weird when she took the wires off. And they also, right now, I feel like I'm missing teeth with these being gone. Like, iffy and anchor gone up here. These still here. And anchor gone up here. My anchor gone there. But everything else is still in place. Sorry if y'all see stuff in my teeth. I had pizza before I came because I knew if I didn't eat now, I was not going to be able to eat when I leave. But missing these, it feel like I got missing teeth in my mouth. But yeah, I told them, I said, my teeth, y'all gonna pass out when y'all see my mouth because look, the rubber band right here. I wonder what color I should get. Comment below what color I should get next time, because by the time I see you guys comment, I'll be done with my appointment. But comment what color I should try, and then I'll try that next time. But I am not ready for this pain because I know it's gonna be painful. But yeah, so she took everything out. So now she says she's gonna have to put me some new brackets on the ones that I'm missing, and then they're gonna give me a new wire. And then this one, I don't have a bracket. I use something called a coil because I guess she don't want that to shift yet. So yeah, we're gonna see how it goes. And to think this is only 1 month and I got 12 more months to go. But I see you in a bit. You guys go so fast when you do this.
Since the wire's thicker, the ties are a little bit harder to put on. So the way that I do it, I mold the wire to your tooth. Trick me? So there's a lot of systems to just put the wire in, but I mold it. See how I mold it? And you can see how your tooth is.
I got technique.
So tight. It's so tight. The wire is more thicker it gets, the harder the bracket goes under.
I see. It feels different too.
Yeah.
I can't believe I got a thicker wire.
Good things, you see? So your teeth are moving.
I don't even know how to do that.
I do suggest, like, you're recording, take photos. Start taking photos, like, and then do it, like, after, and then do it in a week or so, and you're going to see a big difference.
Really?
Yeah.
I know I took pictures at her day. But I definitely couldn't tell until you showed me, like, what you showed me earlier. I got a thicker wire, you guys. I'm not gonna be happy tomorrow. I'm gonna be so cranky. I got silver rubber bands.
Can't even tell.
I know. I thought it was just me.
No, you can't tell. It's like a silver kind of clear, really light.
I thought it was gonna be like dark silver.
No, we do have.
Hey family, I'm back in the car. I just got done. I feel pressure already. So basically today they replaced all my missing brackets. Y'all remember I had nothing right here. She added one right here today, and they gave me a thicker wire. Today I have some silver rubber bands, but you don't even see them. But I got silver rubber bands. But I already know tomorrow is gonna be hell. Like, I know I'm gonna be having such an attitude. I'm gonna be so cranky because it already feels tight now. But I also want to say that I think my process is going pretty quick, because if she thickening my wire already, then the assistant said that means they moving pretty quick. But comment and let me know if you guys want me to do like a what I learned, what I can't eat, and what I cannot eat video. I thought that'd be cool to share with you guys, because it's definitely been a trial and error. And then also don't forget to comment and let me know what rubber band color I should try for my 2-month update. But that is it for this video. I'm about to head back home and get orders ready, because today is restock day for JSRE Bougie Pieces collection, because today is Wednesday. So I gotta head home and restock, and I will see you guys next time.